Hi, I'm Curtis Barties and welcome back to the Capital Bros YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll basically just go over a demo competition all up and coming traders can basically take part of. So basically there's no entry cost, there's nothing involved, no risk involved for you as a beginner trader. So basically there is prizes for the best trader. I think the top 50 people from this competition will walk away with the prize. So if you're new to trading, this will basically help you improve and it will basically make you more of a competition and basically get better as a trader doing this. So if you're new to the channel, as always, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like. So I'll basically just run over this and part of how to get into this, and this is a limited time only for the people. It's thinking from the 7th of May, but we'll go over that today. So just as a quick, so first, for this to be valid or to take part of this competition, you need to have an account. So I'll link the link down below if you want to sign up, and basically it takes you about 5 to 10 minutes to sign up and things to get started into it. So firstly, this is win your share of $140,000. so this is split across all the competitions. So demo has a prize pool of $20,000 and the pro traders, people actually with real money, also get pro trading. So let's get into it. So like I said, make an account with HFM down below. So here we go. So the competitions, once you have made an account, you can go to competition tab and you'll see there is a demo section right here. So this is where you can have a demo account, no real account, no way you're gonna have to add your stuff. So obviously you still need a little bit of KYC like when you sign up, but that's basically straightforward. I've covered that on like HFM. It's basically the same process for all other brokers, so you just follow that. But once you've made an account, you will see it looks like this: copy trading portfolio. You can go to competition and go to demo. As we can see, this one is already in progress, which we cannot take part of because it ends on the 7th of May. This one is up and coming, which basically is a 7-day demo trading. So you can see there's a prize pool of 10,000 or 20,000. So this is split across the people. Let's just look. As you can see, it's split against 50 people, across 50 people. So the first person gets 1,500. So when doing this, you're not risking anything. So basically, even if you don't be part of the 50, you basically got better and you basically attempted to do part of it. So I recommend, even if you're not gonna be more competitive, but obviously try your best. As you can see, the first 50 people get $50. I will be taking part of this. I'll be stopping my actual trading and basically just focus on this, like follow my strategy part of this for the next 7 days. So you can see also HFM stopped the $30 bonus when signing up. Usually when you make a new account, they give you $30 for free. That also has stopped with the application. So basically this is the type of feedback or giving back to the people signing up, being part of a demo. So let's just see the first few people get, so yeah, the first person, so on and so on. So once you have read that, we can just start the demo challenge. So as we can see, there's no user performance, so we'll just say join demo on the side. So now they're going to ask you for a password. I will not be showing this. Okay, so after that we can see the demo account is basically successfully made as a demo challenge. So that we can basically just do. So after that, basically done. Now it's gonna reset. So it's basically very straightforward when you do this. So I think there we go, joined with this. So as you can see, I'm gonna blur this obviously. So initial equity, everyone starts with $1,000. So the person with the most percentage return over this basically wins, or the top 50 people. So we can see there's a platform of MT5, which is MT4. MT5 is way better than MT4, which me and Diane struggle a little bit when doing the HFM one, but yeah, more or less. Here you can see account login, account status, and so on and so on. This will be basically read only because the competition starts. This states will automatically change when the competition begins. Okay, so the competition begins tomorrow. As you can see, this is the 6th and it will basically start tomorrow. So from that point on, we can just close that. So I think that's more or less the basically of it. So I just want to check my emails quickly if there is not a password, because we're gonna have to log this in. So the server host is, okay, this is when we log into the account via MT5. So let's just see if there's no password associated with this. So here's your demo account, your MT5, okay, start competition. I'm just checking your server. Oh, the password is the one I created on that side. So okay, I was checking there's no password, so I will not be showing that. So that's basically the gist of it. So I'll be logging in on this side. So let's just see. We go to MT5. What was this one? Let's make sure. So let's see, server. Back on the side. So this trading account, here we can see the server. So it's a global, okay. Now this is HFM, not HFM, let's search HM. So for some reason it's not picking up, so let's just say HM global. There we go, global. So it picks up. So now we're just going to say our login is obviously our account 30. And then the password is not this one, so it's MT6. So we can just make sure of the server type. So MT5, MT5, 6. Yeah, login. It's taking a little bit of time to connect. And there we go. So the demo account is basically up and running, and now when it starts we can basically start trading. So that's basically it. So I would recommend people to do this. You have a limited of time, so good luck with the trading, and I will basically post your comments or your results back in the comments if you're gonna be taking part of this trading demo account. So I think me and Dayan will basically both do this for the next 7 days, and we'll a little bit put a hold on our actual trading since the 7th starts tomorrow, which is when we actually start. We do start on Tuesdays. We don't like trading on Mondays, but we have talked about this. And also, if you would like to learn more about trading, we do have a series where we go over the foundation of it, which is how to become a forex trader using the SMC. So I would say watch that, for try to get as much in before you start doing this, and that will basically be it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will spot you in the next one. This is Capital Bro Curtis. Until next time.